Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2022 27 Dauntless. What a phenomenal boat this is. It does everything very, very well. It's you got the light blue hull on it, where it's really pretty with the matching undercoat on the hard top. Really contrasts with the white beautifully. It's powered by the twin Mercury 200 horsepower. Just phenomenal. Let's hop on board and see the rest. So let's start again at the back of the boat with the twin Mercs, the 200s on the back, ton of horsepower. You've got two motors back here that are extremely quiet. I can be doing 30 miles an hour on this boat, sitting in this chair right here and having the same tone of my voice. You don't have to raise your voice at all. It's just incredibly quiet, hardly any vibration on it. Incredible motors. And you also have two of them, so always a plus. So if you're just going up for a ride, we have very comfortable jet going over our heads. And so very comfortable 3 to 4 seater right here. So I've had 4 adults in here very comfortably, if not 3. And if you're fishing, great fishing platform back here. You've got your rod holders, drink holders. You've got non-skid all throughout here. You can even move to the back platforms as well. So it's all non-skid all the way around the boat, which is great. Then you've got the Yeti cooler, which you can pull right straight out. It's to access it and slide it back in. It locks in a position, so it couldn't be a better place for that. You've got a sprayer that comes out for rinsing anything. We're rinsing the knives, and if you're doing bait, just rinsing glasses for drinks, whatever you want. You've got a little storage, keeping a variety of different things in here, and I've also doubled it as a cooler, which I like. Down to the helm area. So you got a very comfortable 2-person helm seat. So it's a 2 people, and I like having a comfortable dual seat because I like to have somebody sitting with me versus me driving the boat by myself. And people up there, they're there. I like someone keeping the captain company. So let's move up to the helm area. So you've got the Raymarines. You got 2 large Raymarines on this for a 23-foot boat. So all you got plenty of here. I can split these down. I can have 4 different screens. Your fish finders, right? You know, anything you need. All right here. You've got the Raymarine VHF, the Fusion Stereo, SmartCraft, which is a computer for the boat. You got trim tabs and the digital throttle and shift. So very nice. I love this. I tell you, I love the contrast of the light blue and the white powder coat on that. Really, I think it looks very, very cool. As we move around to the head, very large head for a boat this size. So it's a pump out. You don't have to worry about doing anything with that. It's also storage for the table. The table is a very large table. Fits all the way up into the bow area, and it actually, when I move up into the bow, I'll show you how where it actually fits. The lounger is really, for a boat this size, it's really nice. I mean, it's a lot of times they just have the one. It's like a little cooler in the front of the helm. This has got a full-fledged lounger with armrests on it. Incredible. I mean, you can keep dive tanks down here. You can keep fenders, lines. It's enough storage for 5 fishing poles down here, which you can lock. So if you're getting off the boat, going into a restaurant or that type of thing, you can lock that up and you don't have to worry about anybody messing with your gear. And so, extremely large trunk for a 23-foot boat. So, up in the front, we have 2 lounges. This is the lounger in the upright position. This one also does the same, or you can just lay them back. And if you're sitting, now the table will actually cover like this much area. So, you could have a couple of people here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adults sitting around this table, having something to eat, something to drink, very, very comfortably. You've got up in the bow, you've got the windlass, which is recessed, which is great, and I'll show you that when I do shut it. But there is also a space for a beach boarding ladder. So if you decide you like to beach, we can add a boarding ladder. You go right off the bow. You don't have to get in the water or anything. It's a great way to get it on and off the boat. But as far as fishing, this is a phenomenal. All non-skid, the windlass is recessed, rod holders up here, drink holders all around. You've got the rails all the way around the boat as well. It just does you could take this offshore. Again, 2 engines, no problem going offshore. It's extremely dry. It's a fast boat. You'll absolutely love it. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.